Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video, I spoke about the importance of having good video skills or awesome video skills. In this video, I'm going to be talking about interpersonal skills. But before I do that, my only submission to you would be if you've not done so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like the videos that I share with you, comment on those videos if you like those, and share this with others so that I can help many of you to hone your communication skills. Let's proceed. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about interpersonal skills and why they are important. What are these interpersonal skills? Well, first of all, let's understand what are the benefits that you're going to be deriving from having great interpersonal skills. You will be able to understand others well. You will definitely unlock excellent employment opportunities. You will be able to crack your job interviews well. You will tend to become a great leader on the basis of your excellent interpersonal skills. Your interpersonal skills will lay a solid foundation for you to become a great leader. And this will help you make your enterprise successful. Let me talk about some amazing facts about having good interpersonal skills. Well, more than 50% of our facial expressions matter more than words. Also, our brain capacity is far more in terms of the speed of listening. So as against the speed at which we listen versus the speed at which our brain operates is very different. While we have the brain capacity, which is able to process almost 3,000 words every single minute, there are only 100 words per minute with the speed at which we are able to listen to those words. In addition to that, our visual memory, what we see and what we remember, helps us and helps our long-term memory to retain much more than what we listen. Now, employees also are loved or liked by employers who have effective communication, especially if those employees are involved in direct or indirect sales and promotion of the products and services of the organization. In addition to that, words do speak louder than action. Now, words can actually act both as arrows, which hurt the listeners, while at the same time as motivators and game changers over decades, if they're spoken with the right intent to the target audiences that you want to speak to or you are communicating to. Now, you must be thinking that, okay, while I've mentioned about the importance of interpersonal skills, how do you do it? What are the best practices that you should follow in order to hone or improve upon your interpersonal skills? First up, you need to have a positive attitude always without fail. Whether you're connecting with your bosses, your colleagues, you need to always have a positive attitude. Now, that shows maturity on your part. In addition to that, always try to observe the non-verbal communication clues or cues, as we say, the inputs. When you make an eye contact with people, when you listen to people with an observation on the sound of voice and tone, when you speak to people with a certain sound of voice and tone, the way you dress, the way you present yourself, your body language, your demeanor, your posture, this all adds on to your interpersonal skills or depletes from your interpersonal persona. Always be a problem solver. This will really help you to hone your interpersonal skills and help you project yourself and present yourself as a good interpersonal communicator. In addition to the above, always try to accept responsibility and take accountability. which will further help you in your overall performance and productivity in whatever you're trying to do. Now, you may be thinking that I'm not a salesperson or I'm not a marketing person. How do I go about, having that overall performance and productivity? Well, try and understand whatever you're trying to do in your role, in your function, in your organization, it all boils down to delivering superior customer service to your customers, whether it be in the form of products or services. So, what you're doing is very important from an organizational standpoint to deliver the products and services that the organizations are offering to their target markets. In addition to that, etiquettes and interpersonal skills go hand in hand. So you have to ensure that you're always putting your best foot forward and behaving in the best possible manner in front of your bosses, your colleagues, your professional environment, your customers, your stakeholders, etc. Now, this is in a nutshell that I wanted to talk to you about interpersonal skills and their importance. What are the benefits of those interpersonal skills? Go ahead, try honing your interpersonal skills, start acting on your interpersonal skills right from the end of this video, right from now. And if you really like my video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so that whenever I come up with a new video, you get notification or you get notified. And if you like my videos, please hit the like button. You want to comment on my videos, please go ahead and do that and share this with as many people as possible. Till next time, keep on honing your communication skills and take care. Bye-bye.